Welcome to Dave Hammer TV. Ha, na niema papa ni na wo send ya bibia me sika subscribe to your channel, share our videos. Na manfo hu niema papa ye. Eba ni sinima ne ba ne nwoma wona edi o musika. Omo bibia ehemu ye kase omo invest in music and movies na producers na executive producers ye nkofo ya no mdo omo actor ekire omo pese obi abehu omo. It's been a long time producers and pese omo beba camera nim minim ni entra na mebusa ni entra ya na producers omo pese omo beba screen ani am obi abehu omo. But I'm privileged to have this God-fearing man, this producer, this entrepreneur, this businessman, Osewus of Osewus Ventures. I have friend DO live on Dave Hammer TV. Na and then anybody doing come on the Dawson, even as say ye dino na the neighbor. So keep your comments coming, keep your questions coming. Na ye be answer so amount. So ye try and buy any DO of Osewus Ventures. Ye be doing come live on Dave Hammer TV. Yes, welcome back. This is Dave Hammer TV. But more say obema social distancing na ye juma because it's COVID-19. Aji we ase aboso. But more say obero say use hand sanitizer is very necessary. Aha. So come be nipa mususu wa no wa nose mask and so at say because you never know obi a obi. Nti sabre ye ma dio akwa abane ne na di nkomo dio of Osewus Ventures. Na intermittently no ye be ko ahoma no so na ye ne Bishop Daniel Obinim asofo ni bia kasa na yahwe sesei ni asem na kwakusi se yebema ni belo se yemma ni belo ni hu hawa ebisi akonti sabre dio akwaba
ya no
na dia boko
nyame adom boko
ye de na miase said na yeto ensa frɛ waje efeso
amen.
Wow, ye ka dio dio na ase kyerɛ sei
Dave dio de simple say with double O.
Oh, okay.
Double O. Yeah, it is how welcome Mr. Dio. I just offer me Mr. Osewus na.
Oh.
Yeah, so simple. My friends been a creative army. Yeah, my friends be I'm say business me dey share into commodity house or say Osewus. No money Ghanaians into. Okay. Omo na say omo nya double. It means we na dey na me dey. Okay. Make can also simple. So that's
double O.
Sure.
Yeah, Osewus Ventures.
Yeah, they.
Wow, we dey nyom bebre aba bonti, we dey sini bebre aba bonti. Ebetimi adida bi adia mamanfo akakai.
Oh,
movie me say Moses okay, we na dey ba bonti.
Sure. And the last year there me na me buy. And I'm the Bishop Michael Osewus nyom man way back 2007. And that's me na me buy. Obi di aba movie me na me buy. Yeah. Oba him movies me na me buy. That's today. Wow. Cause job being very man. Mommy Joy is the Christian I love. In Shirabi Kita no. And that's when I'm producing. Yeah. A whole lot.
Now that be na my behind the scene. I'm person be home.
Oh, they once me say I'm it was this year, you know. Me want pennyphobia. I'm share my bra boka kakra me dey bomb me dey. Baby say papa say kwa me despite say no. Then time na me ton cassette e o board so ye hihye no board so no. Samre na no produce I think 94 no produce 24 for no wait na me feeling it pa. Ba me papa na how many times cry na attend kasada. So baby to say Mr. Kesben mo. How many times they attend kasada almost no platform. Mr. Sekwa me how many stations no TV station. If you open a walls crampo no one kasa. I'm so kwam si fa kan de kasa man. It say wo de obi si wani so so penance mo so osua ne nyoma bebre. Me ni radio station, me ni TV station. The obi cry na also penance mo osua no. On kasa ya na how much more about me. And then secondly, I find say me a type on so ya no bi e bibi na on frame na me am de me pe ko wa ya na me din kakra. Afi na be ko na offering inside the can say you always behind the scene. And the having no baby I'm say me free anyway until so why invite me there and then I promise me ba me nyini so be a program be a invite me a man koda na mom say me am fa me ho gidigidi say sa no man say frankly me yeah so em say no ntina my entire we
Send you say what ton cassette or tables. Hey, me share Osewus Ventures, me share the best mobile phone. Me because of it here now what you store.
David, yeah, then you cry. Yeah, it's not my doing no because yeah, then the baby free band. We are starting lazy, the lazy papa. Time and I'm go school, man, me and her so uncle. So uncle school now, but for so baby. It me started with the lazy papa. Number 2 empty cassette.
Wow.
Them here lucky is a mimi senior bro no they can better empty cassette. Them didn't chill. And no better cassette. And you know say me buy one or say me fa. Yeah, you know me better empty cassette and some better the new also. Before and CD beba. And the other then I say from your collaboration you know any woman be pim this time. Sure. Because if you are there, and I say we need support, we will be confirmed because we are also hustle. Now, sir, through that, no, no, me who am mobile or the baby do baby. I was here.
I was because school no went to me and condemn the Nancy can anyone as a one and when injured.
Oh, say, me can't say, me mammy won't tell kakra. Ye near an andet night, pa. Timina nano no didra. Timmy swaki ticket in also be unknown and not today. Just a whole supporting. To be swaki na me cotton in your man or new way frankly na business or many so. It's me because school in be primary me buy JSS no. Na me sisters to ton biscuits ne sa toffee no me ba na me ne o me beboa o mo a ye ma kwan na me kwa o mo ma mi ska. Say ska no me ndio. Na ma san dey toffee na bi dey akọ school ne client. On the client first na nya come on sa. It's me o school mu ni nyina clerk to na me business kakra. So me kwa SS no me papa trying the best me timi nyini boni or trying the possible best we about me timi aka say business na me di kan ko hunu ye no pocket money no neso at that time I think 93 no my pocket money was 1 cedi and 1 cedi first near friend 10,000 it me go school my about 3 days time now say scano SM free me because me am tonton me no ma me nya bi it 1 cedi no for the whole term nenso na my smart and me ton me no ma na me go school me pakisi ho ni bi it me beton me no man na next cab me say tebia obi o ni me say me go school no metimi abedi be 1 week e ofie so ni sa na fiama yeah na my school no akwe wenti me father they trying the possible best we have say kameko be me fa ni say minimum na man ko ba nyame ya na onim ni a yeah.
And you started with production. We movies. I said that's cool man. Then as you see what movies here say ton phones.
Oh, me I know that be am catch ni pan bebre say omonti ase omonti ni omo bi ase so hwe omo yesusu omo enfa abrofo ne onye example producers no nyo bia na chese chinchina so business nyina yet say we producer ade no produce we dey come market obi anto eni omo na sesa so why say on pay bi fan support me too still every year bi am fan say every year bi am anye movies kwa me be say 3 oh I wo say nya adwuma na me kokoye na nka be kwan be na me fa so am produce movies na sesa now afa ni ehwe kwan be fa so a be hu ba bia koduru enti also otimi ye adwuma de support by bebre fa ni say wo maja me ho ya me nti ase until say ye be hu de akoduru no untimi nka say ye bia na okọ produce ba bia de na wo credit scan wo kofa wan scan na wo kwaje ye bia kwaje bank loan e na wo de ye wo ye ya nto na wo kofa scan foforo wan na de akọ produce foforo etimi de me ti o de me nko de me njae me still am produce movies me ye bibia na me ye no first just say my pay bibia support I am me ho nkyere me movies am ye say am ye ko YouTube afa na me hwese me so YouTube no metimi anya chance na my old movies na nkasa na nko for penagro na say now who start YouTube ejuma na we nya support and free baby kwan be na be fa so abe on that nti me nya production me hu ni say manfo na enti ne o ma se o hwe me nua bi tsepa Thomas time I me switch call phones na na buy o hwe ba for o switch buy now who say eboa omo so ka so be bibi say obenya support financial stuff no their best support amana ye now so what was a pro producer na say cry any say producer no an executive producer who nyeska and now what dey akwa ye den akoye ejuma eti won pe bibi support me fa say mo emehim okay na some me hwe yi guy bi on friend Ellie Kim Taylor ni guy Taylor Ellie Kim Kumoji me respect guy ni too much Onu Kofi Ajololo nya encounter bi wo Peace FM hwe sa interview. Guy na some no can make sense complete, but Ghana for ayo madwe so omo nya madwe so mbetie no. O say ono ya artist na wa pay bibidi a support no wa wo ye adwuma nti. As a producer director no muntimi mbodwe engu no so. Enti no person o kan kire say also pay bibidi support enti nipa no ba wo na ne bargain. O yes a producer sisi me we producer in Jamaica. Enti say wo no a o sisi wo no say wo we obi bi dada no ba we ni ma. At the end of the day no wo ne be bargain. De be boa e na wo be kwa akoye enye ma wa na wo ye wadwuma. E na de achi akwa mu za guy no say ba out. E be patch o say de o kan wan kan ye an kire papa ne bia no. Opa ne che. Ba me hu za Ghana for papa asem papa na na wo mu no. No o mo mpe. Eti omo fa abone no the bashi na me nko na me ti ona me ya o me crams akwai make sense na opa he omo real business mo dey support acting omo real business mo dey support music hwe omo career no for obi a waji atan na asa chinchina me dey your friend producer your friend executive for your friend me say no wo pa compensate to no enti me hu ni say wake up call ma obi a say yen ha no so dey ekototo abrofo no ho a enye ye omo dey scan etu omo na so omo mom the best still from your business into a producer we music whatever a entertainment no na we business be the support enya bone obi an try say obe bibi so onya bibi here the support at the end of the day na adwuma no cry de because we demands nen konko go obi so bebre wan kasa o de ho dada enti obi no ko bibi a even that one cry be na respect you more yeah so
I won't say a lot of people have switched to, especially the producers, almost switched to mobile phone. Why mobile phone?
Oh, mobile phone. That time, na baby, I'm a shop no. Na me guys be or no musu tobi. Ombe me friends Kobe Jones mo. It's yen na ni edin komo. So na drew time I say ye nya bibi dey support your production no. Enti enkomodidie na me hu na so obi a business idea no hu ade beboa won so a won so hu enti e bon pae na ye hwe how no ma city na me hu say e beboa me so me mom ni producer me started say ade first sana me nu am so e ba be kan
want me take the bold decision
that one
enter into phone production
about production cry say movie production as no cry o na say Ghana mo recognize ya na say omo kai ni pa nka omo be hu say artist no bray by producer Paul no so be sacrifice here or trying the best after Miracle Elizabeth me was Osewus because I was very young na me shakra say we do sika be kwa ko rem say ko ye movie but my name is Mr. Nyameche nya encounter didn't come advice me say na me call Nigeria ko facilities and I chere me say then met me aye it true that and all link James Abuaji Mr. James Abuaji say on F5 Park president e ma me near tena say me so stories dey nyame adu say me me nana na tena obi a on nana tena bi e ba story dey oboa it stories dey na ho na yakutwa obi dey aba nyame ya adu nti me time no omo he me age as me early 20s na as a young guy timi akoye movie amana hit no encourage amanfo bebre e be rem because we Mr. Ebekumansi has his here there we Mr. Elizabeth Mr. Kwesi Nyameche if you I think me ni obi a me sambe ye movie na part Thomas Bebe ye na guys nya oh na say guy omu nyina obi oba store no be na say wo nyini ye ene me metimi aye na che say ma omu nso e motivate omu ma omu nyina e bebe ye bi yes so sanity
was there a time okoji a bank loan bi the koye production ebo the kaba
no dey den bebre adwuma bi a wo ye bi as o slow risk a untimi yeah
how does it feel
yeah but no afane say no ne wo adwuma so wo be push ya on to say wo be nya breakthrough wo buy be fear say wo dan back series egu o say me see me yia be gu aton say anka be fan say me skeni be gu ba me say fan say that me man so be hu say daddy so oye no ma be say ni say because he didn't now no hu the obe ni bi at the end go enti bank loan dey bebre be share you need that time ana ye movies ni gidigidi but by the grace of God okay can nyina boma goodness no na buy enti no we give thanks
ni say bi mu koji bank loan kwa mo nya police cases bebre but you were so fortunate e dey na bo
and me dey aseda be manyame because me special nchen obi but one thing na make me can say yes started from scratch so me ram production mu say me free baby am it is say free obi dey vama oye adwuma na ntimi so me koye bi no me dey from scratch Mr. Osewus me in the shop na makola no makoho obusa father Dexia na me akra kete na me pay me ko to lumba beton because at least okwa akra ho na price na be cheap a chance that down near Okumasia. It will console I didn't find out by just okoboa to make a gammogram this then near friends say gammogram I be feeding our friend that time. Kobosa drain no friend me na where he father Dixon say only me pa only late Mr. Brain only me pa no more media mamma media ba until once I all from scratch now banner there so who ye be my own how baby because you business minded now they I be rap production but who on so by say oh me could escape say you may be a intimate coebi to no then now baby and crown who name said yes it until no son one way a bit me bet we give thanks.
Till Kasana, you give thanks. I can see, say, we are a true God fearing person. I am awesome.
Me some of the Church of Pentecost. Sure.
We are deacon and I elder.
Dave, I find it it's your way.
Because me say nyame sro.
Nyame sro dey me kase anymore because on say yen mono Dave. Say nyame anka me ne hwan. Me ka secret back. Me ma me we I think na mo be say 2.5 years. Ba bebre hu mi say o mo say bia o e bia me free baby na obi time bibi ma me. Na mo be 2.5 years.
So I got was say Osewus. Or you dusted when I'm say or you dusted on. Oh, we dusted ko to dusted mo na.
Never ever. Me like Obia trying the best. The man more around. Mrs. say me proud of them. I'm very proud of them. I'm trying possible best, mommy. Obia ni wa Jimmy my bet. Hustling, almost hustle. Mrs. So no say after school I was also be hustle. Not true that. Na media baby do and no say I'm fast down many media. Ni aibu ni 6 me last born. Now last born I want me catch kiti me cause me feel or me ma me ho no mo say me ma me ni am twantro me me picture and I'm they recognize me ma me and then I break from here soon friend kwala brim say nyame na ehu e mobo nti da bia na say God first and sana me nim de no me de aba yeah.
No, say you are so much passionate about some of the things you see on social media. Bia ne elukim kumo jidia okay and say me say why are you so passionate about Obinim? Obinim, do you know him?
No. Obinim whom you are home.
So why is it that when you're not semna the amount for trolling, why are you so passionate about him?
Yeah, spirits na team and me communicate. And ten bia de be beto wakoma so say opese o ye bia na onim sa de na nya boni bia me encourage obi ase ye. Say boni dia na wadwene ho ye. By say ade nya boni dia so me asam no start e ba nyina ye nyina ye hwe ye hu bi. But or kwan no a de ne fast baby akwa kodru sese na. It seems like I say yanso aye too much. Yet the honorable was because in his investigation honorable to me and me ni say oja ma be CID cry na obetimi aye ni nyina. The honorable investigation they're powerful and me respecting no power because me whom is me very straight. Et me who be straight sir na me penance. Et ikono aye na adwuma awia me ehu secret. Yenya ma police. Na komo invite no. Obi ni mo dwane akɔhen say obi ni da hospital. Police for gyina no so. And no more na me ya say ebetimi ato me. Nti say me na nka sa de o ya ato me anka me feel say. Nti anu na ha me a for past be 2 weeks am me can be person me bet me ya on say me nye friendly to say no. Nti me hu bet dey na nwumre me park me car me be fra cross road na me catch me ba na ofi ni say on fa me phone no. And video mpesa me come asem e bia na true de me ka no na nyame nam so ama mpanyifo na ate na o mahu kwa mbefa so treat no why investigation na wie ye hu se bia wafom e no kra alert ye nyama CID o mo hia na o mo friend bokọ so ye mfa ka ankokọ no so ono so be try the best why na famu de we nipa ensama o maka ni nyina me nyini se ni nyina be no kra ntina me mesra ni se wona bo de me support no 100% se nya nipa bi sa be se 10 crowd friends of parliament me uzenka Ghana besisa ba me point is nyame ya do one investigation na wi enti ko mo police and emra no ntoaso na yesi ye bebe no ne nyesika man da chesa say ye try say you be bringing it down be fine say the why you no deserve say bringing it down no ade no be den ebeba ye man is a chance no ya re nya abotrema no ne mre so okọ a onko na asomdwe mu ye bisa ne wi a omre ne fi asomdwe mu oni be say plane to and now bet me the car free has all the co US ana can to I plane to nko ba bia ntie nya abotrema that's a man come and moreover all the ya hear stars 31st night na muguna sorry I'm chele e dey am kwa say dey bibi kakra
say omo so omo priorities in the stars now che omo cars che omo niam nti no niam na obi ni ma epe no nti obi ntimi mfa nkosi a wo ama no
that one I don't know anything about the whole can say so
this is what I've heard because me no ka say for 3 days ni omo po obi ama na bebele no ye nya obi a
me ka say me bibi fa sa bill no ho na me twa ntro me dey na me hwe according to the honorable aya bedru na dey me yakra ne say ne yire no unze sabio ebia wanko school kese omatimi a select ne R ne L no saa edi huru no bi asa de waye bone bi ba wutie message na na oba ne kan so a o Kenya me adwene na na kire ma no ano de hyehyɛ ma no de o makɔ heaven anaso obi a o mani am o mahu se oba ha wa obesi asom onyankopɔn ba ene no sanse mpa na e wo time ana o kasa ni mu no ye de akoto baabi akɔyi baabi isre no unze e yarehosem na on yiri ni ha o ne many ha wonu so ye nipa nti
ne yiri na ka kwantum
o na say plane to nti onti memba nti e ho no na ma me nya passion bi man say o so ye nya abotre man nti still am me take advantage na me nsrem panyin for say o mu nya abotre man no so okokota ye nya abotre man no onko ne court o mra somdwe mu ma nya ne say obi nim yare da hospital police unza sa no man e hunu anipo e de enko an obi nim aye de yakani nyina fine enti na CID ho ye nja mo no omunya omadwuma na brantie no nso enya na somdwe ye wiewura mu wie na bona eno de ono ne mfom so awaye enti punishment o wa ye de be ma no na mum ye nya hu se ensam na de aba ne ye no kra ne de ye nya abotre ma no ono nso ye nipa
ye twan ho abam se asema Odio double O Osewus yes big time producer entrepreneur and a businessman and somehow can in say ye ni age ho pa na ye pese kwa homa no so na ye ne ye hwe bia asem na kwa kusu because ene kobo no nan say ye nya sureties and fan belina enya sempa inya obi aso ma ne mbeli no eno nti ye kɔ ahoma no so ansa na ya to adwumadi nso ye ba isia abusua se ne msi kan ye kɔ ahoma no so tew na ye ni eye correspondent eye mami Abenadapa Edin Komo straight from Accra because they say ufre obi ni junior pastors na de obi kan say won pese wo beka asem no bibia ya hye wo mo say mo bia enkasa but a chief for so pese mo dia kwa kusi but I can understand them because so chef send you mo see a truly eye obi in fact sade na Ghana for so ye ne yesre mo munyai na entwaye munyai ntwayi munyai say mudi huru no one is perfect sabe kwa o man so ne ye nua ba Abenadapa Edin Komo straight from Accra abna na bibia boko
hello mama
bibia boko
ya do mama bibia boko
sabre Angel Daniel Obinim ehimfa na wowo
hama se ya me na o ka say die say Angel wotina admit bills ni 10 nanti se say die me gidi pasa die Benham Panside ne ko hospital se sie ya yi na yi no dia nchai mu but na dey so Benham Panside ne ko hospital e ka say di ko Fie Street
okay na so far the what is saying send amanfo ka say ofeki yare send e ben ayen dinasem no how is that true
oh hama se say dia me amit makasa se me ka say me dey say Benham Panside ko hospital dia ya met imagine me make a fatana enjoy the home farm they say we enjoy say you na free quarter neighbor hama conditions of room no enye oyare onye say bia e di enye oyare
see
oyare
wow
oyare e say but ya udina no Angela this is not Angela bi ni mama fo ni no Angel ho shada fa no na yen ka say bi so aye yi say Angel feki yare no hama Angel yare no ho shada to no oyare no oyare na wo feki says ya se ya me no ka say die ya fa fake e makanchen hama
ti ono na si bae
no na si bae hama na mi ti kanu e bona bo mu ne be se fi ha say e kokko wura course what's the course no kanish course on e wo first floor It's first floor ni mu no ana brani mu abobo abomo otam na se chire na odi angel abes na fro steps na kwa ko dru hon ma wasa tam na ka na for ma mo na second angel na mo bubu na taban the angel me nyini se watu obetimatu ana me nyini se sa ya le so de be na obi de be kofi kwa fa ni kofi it is a phone kwa be bridge na se police for frustrate you ipa na yare on person ne hospital se ma ne kwa me fa ne nko then but say they are angel pani feri bin say they this is by this time here.
I said you know more cancer ultimate meeting sureties, 3 sureties, you know. How then I feel ultimate meeting sureties no my believe.
I'm for now na the Los Angeles me the chance na court the man.
Okay.
Say 1 billion in a phone.
Okay.
Be me meet yana. Say police for you. That's not me meeting the sureties so they say they you who say well, they say the surety can kasa be di court for them. Ama ono akasa pa na onya mai. E wa bra na ho pa no akasa nya mai. But say the says what me meeting the bills no. And the temp police for the man what me meeting as say it's me na na ba aye press the bills on.
Abena did I no besa go court bi o.
First of June, na say court say that first of June mo say ngini bi mo mra. Yen san fe da ire sa de next year bi.
Okay.
The first of June dey sa de bi next year ha sia sa bi ti dey sa cost for. My paya e ba na say njo be ton. Aka ba ile bi no be say nya ke ti ati. That will be true. So be my say party afọ aba na for ebubu ya afọ hama. And dey meet.
Yeni aba abnada pa yebeda si wo your time na koso ane di asem ye chi na de besi bia so fadom ye Dave Hammer TV na ye ma ye TV so enti
adoma first junior be sa de nia di de be koso na de angel life support as our chief for ni afefo
medasi abuja yeni aba abnada pa na motin kan right from Accra say ni esi wo no so ma ya so ate abna ye dasi nyame shapa ye dinkan kwa homa no so ebo modin ase ye ne eye Bishop Daniel Obini masofo be kasa ne yehun be bia sesei asem na kosi poti na sene na ebi mu susu se ofiki yare no information reaching Dave Hammer TV say Bishop Daniel Obini oyare ampa me no ka say D to the double O is here, the double O, that's DO Osewus of Osewus Ventures Osewus yeah that's here we are for your time.
All right.
So far movie you see the bia we me a series no na what start here bia na
me bet me movies nan so ankasa me movie bet ni nyina on YouTube and to be search for Osewus Ventures TV or Osewus Ventures TV or YouTube or me movies even from Obidia Bar Bishop Michael Osebon sunyum ni nyina say ho na me build bibia kosi sebeya o ma no mo pay movies no come make me enjoy. And it was Osewus Ventures TV. I want to be a good CC.
So mobile phone companies. So how is it going?
Normal. I know they say young coffee. Yeah, coffee be normal. So they be a supply and I normal. So I
the best mobile phone, right?
Yeah. We be an try see a bit creative. By time 90 and draw on man. I it is still my shops in Osewus Ventures. Yeah.
Osewus Ventures. Wow. Osewus, that's here for your time and your humbleness. Yeah, that's it, papa.
Miss me that's hammer. But baby kakra person me can say Ghana for. Ghana for. Obi ya de na say ya. O say ye bonabaso. My entwem ma asem ntu obi ni asusu je agum. Eno ana ma asem we me kokan bi go he ma me kan asem ba ko. About entertainment ya say obede sa akode ya. Oya guy na nyum call from na nsem wo kakra no nyame nam no so na resort na kwa one man standing owe ni stage is o create here man do no timi koko gina so e perform here yes ni show a ye bia oyen e no na encourage boys amen bia hu say metimi a show but say omunya chance bia they try to bring the guy down. So omo ba appreciate ni keke mpo say e bia sa akode wa ya de me pesa me so me yekoduru no na omo de nam chen ye fro bia no aka no ayese no ayese o guy no pass the AC as sacrificing a life enyum dodo owo so bia manwum ni timi costro ni normal wo ya ansa na boy this o human rap cry and free say regi by no style na ono rap no eno na boys ni bebre omo rap the dressing the way cross shave it eno kra na omo ye nti nipa bi saa no e wo mu an nyame yi ba kwa ma country be o se ye ma na niji na ye hu se ono so hwe first nanka ye ba lifestyle pa about celebrities ono na be set good example amom first na be bring fan say omo pe ma omo ye say ba oba e one ne girl ne buy since then the girl na no worry no eno ya de papa man stone boy abeto aso nti guy no was setting no ma be bre to ho a e bo youth no e mo hu say we celebrity no nche say nkofa we nkoye we anasa onye violent but still I heard say nkofo call out they try to bring the guy down nti they make can say oba down we are na afi no wo no ufi apeja na e na ma de obi aye ne nya ofe na nya
oni bi mo so oba down
na ma wo fie no ho na akopeja so no akwahye for me de na bia apeja wo akwasensen wiom sente saa de aye ma de obi aye nya efe na nya me mfa so ntimi nhirae na afi ye ne aye de dwuma de bia si ani so no ye ma ye ni nko ye nyame yesom no so na enyi ni se nyame tumi ade nyina aye ye mfa ye ho nyina ama no e fa ho kwahye baabi na later no bibi kokosi wi a akwa blame start bibia say nyame from day one nyame na obetimi de wakwa akowie e ba ne say nyame behira me da ase
nyame mfa eye apreku my daughter so ensi yi enra ya antia sempa so sad say apreku my daughter so no ye nyame adwuma en kan tete no so one way or the other no he's no more, let's say he's no more ntino nyame emfa ne kra nsi yi oye Ghana ni whatever be the case. Yes, but yes, the onye boni da no onye den onto bo onye den e mo ba nti wo ba ko twa ni video e de ko to social media say wabo e na den waji usika ene apreku ni obi okuhia ni nyame ama ono so de nyame ne be ka ne be ka na wo so out here as Israel. What are you doing? Because enche na Yesu aba nti e de be se ye do Osewus ase for his time Osewus maybe ana wo nchia bi wo pesa wo da dofo bi so ase.
Oh, okay.
One no ne ebi opese wo da o mase minim obi anchia bi a whatever.
Medican no meda twedi ampo Nyankopon ase. E wo nadom a aso ye so a ye da so tinkom ye. Ana me sre na maka say yare no so ehu pa bi no still am da to say yare ni o. Yare no o yem hwe ehu ye yen try possible best. Wo sre nyame adom a one. De to so bi me ye wa kwan a obefa so obelive no. Wahwe how obesi aye no se be ye nyame bebo na bibi atwam a watimi abeto our life so nipa mpesa me da o mase de me da me family ase o maboa me because is my sisters especially o maboa me pa anti nyame nhira o mo ne me senior brother dem di na chi e mema tu ono so me mentor kese pa ne lifestyle pa na me fa ne say ma fa dodo na pa aba be do this time ba ono no obo abrani do ba bi kakro tu kwan ti ono de one stay Ghana but e o ma Obama ibibia ye okay me so me da o mase na afi madam wife nso ase odo a wayi na di ne support ne paibo enye easy so betimi enya oba bi sa obeta we chi sanse ye kan say be ma bia obetimi abobra am na siwi a na gina oba so ti my wife dey my number one nyamishra my wife pa dey won so nyamishra media house so nyamishra because I started at the any obia pa say dem so so e peja ye ne ba bi om dey kodure no nyame fa om so mo boy nyamishra media house nyamishra obi bia and all share sa video yi na onya na kuma so bisa de man amen
Yeda Osewus say DO the double O yeda na sepa for his time on Dave Hammer TV bomodia say obeko Osewus TV right Osewus Ventures TV and subscribe to the channel Osewus Ventures TV sinidada Osewus a produce enyoma Osewus a produce series Osewus a produce ninyina ewo Osewus Ventures TV boss is here na subscribe to the channel ubenya ninyina na mama brown musini akrobeto musini dada ejako musini Osewus a produce ninyina ewo Osewus TV so what you say ko na fabichi red they say we be ashe them because of COVID-19 ti corner o share niema exciting na e koso ho na unya aba free mu at least ebe ma so re achichi ti eda say thanks to go promo mi amini app concern Prince Swagat nyami sha no pa na Dave Hammer TV so da say sa bibia hwe odom de be share bi akra mu nyina